We're supposed to make the equation for this quadratic. And if you're trying to make an equation for a quadratic, it's probably best to start with vertex form because it makes things real easy. If you can identify the vertex, -2, 1 is the point of the vertex, and you can plug in -2 for h and 1 in for k. Just watch your signs. There's already a minus sign built into it. So minus -2 is the same thing as +2 inside the parentheses. Okay, so we're almost done. We need to have an x in there, so that's fine. We need to know what this a is, though. And to find a, you've got to grab a different point on your graph and plug it in. So -1, 3. If I plug in 3 in for y and -1 in for x, and then I solve, I can get a by itself. So -1 plus 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1, so this is a plus 1. If you finish solving that, a is going to be 2. So that's the vertex form. 2 goes in for a. And then if you expand this, if you write that as 2 parentheses multiplying to each other, you should get, and keep the parentheses because it's all going to be multiplied by 2. When you multiply x plus 2 times x plus 2 in parentheses, you should get x squared plus 4x plus 4. And then there's this plus 1 on the outside. So to finish getting in general form, let's distribute that 2. And then when you combine those like terms that are off to the side, we're done. I just realized that this one wants in vertex form, so that's vertex form right there. We didn't have to do all this. This is what you would do if it wanted it in general form.